আজকে যে আমি এত বড় একটা অপরচুনিটি পেয়েছি জীবনে to come to all of you, to sing for all of you, I cannot thank you in words. এত ভালোবাসার আশীর্বাদ আজকে পাচ্ছি। আমি অনেক দিন ধরে তোমাদের সব ভিডিওসগুলো দেখছি কি তোমরা এখানে কত এক্সাইটেড ছিলে। ওর থেকে সত্যি কথা বলছি, I was more excited to come to here to sing for all of you. Tonight we are going to have a very memorable evening. Are you with me with this? Will you be singing with me? Will you be dancing with me? Alright, Agartala. আজকে অনেক গান আছে, endless list of songs, and I don't know which one to sing, which one I won't, but I'm telling you every song that is in your heart and in your wish that আজকে এই গানটা যদি হয় খুব ভালো হয় is definitely happening. So please feel free to shout out your request, sing along. Let's have a party with you all, with all of us.